Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Eric, and this is Wyse Capital FX. And today we want to talk about a particular setup that I've just seen. It's on Wednesday, 6th October 2021. And this is a potential buying opportunity. Already on my Telegram group, I've already advised my friends to buy GBPAUD stop loss 1.865, H90 profit 1.87, 445 risk reward of 1 to 1. Also on the WhatsApp group, I've already advised people to buy the same setup. So here is the signal. If you need the links to my WhatsApp group as well as the Telegram group, please head on to the to the description section, and we'll be able to see each other on the other side. So without further ado, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscription button. And if you have any new content that you'd like me to prepare something on, also leave them on the comment section so that I will make a video for you. So let's get started. So this is a GBP AUD trade, and as you can see, this is my buying level. This level right here. This is level 1.87013. My take profit is around here. It's at 1.87433, and my stop loss is around 1.86593. So risk reward of 1 to 1. So let's get started and analyze reasons why I did place this order. So I'm going to remove some of this so that we have a clear look at price. So let's get started. Now, first thing that pops out on the screen is this level right here. See that level? So this level right here held as a resistance in this point, and it also held as a resistance in this second point here, before being broken right above by price strongly, bulls taking control and breaking the resistance, and then they bring back to retest it. So there is a possibility we might get another push upward. So our first reason is break and retest and retest. Another thing you could also pay keen attention to is that we have a reversal pattern here. This one, do you see this one? This one, we call it an ending diagonal or a reversal wedge pattern. So already we have a very serious confirmation that price, you see price was dropping from the left, price was dropping. Then usually when you get an ending diagonal, it is your confirmation that price might continue moving upward for a very long time. So this is your reversal pattern. This is also another reason you could pay keen attention to. So number two, we could say we have a reversal pattern in that area. So there are two of them. Uh, we also have a triple bottom. This is a triple bottom. Do you see this area here? This first retest, second retest, and third retest. So this is a triple bottom. Then after that, we get price pushing strongly and breaking out of the pattern, giving us a higher high. Then retracement. When it's retracing, the moving averages do hold as a support, you can see. And then we push strongly upward, you see, to a completely new higher high. Then we get a retracement, see this, to this level that has just been broken. So already we get price making higher highs and higher lows. So we could write here is that we're getting higher high. Let me use initials, higher high and higher low. Also, another thing you could also pay keen attention to is that we have a trend line confirmation. Do you see this? We have this level holding as a support and also this level holding as a support. So we have a trend line confirmation. So if this is point A, point B, point A, point B enables you to draw a trend line connecting the 2 points, and this also has acted as support in the past. So therefore, this point here, it might act as a support. So reason 4 we could have is trendline confirmation. So that is our our fourth reason. Also, another reason we could also add is that we have a Fibonacci confirmation. This level here is 61.8. I don't need to attach a Fibo to know. I've already traded this thing long enough to know that this is 61.8. But still, let me attach it for you so that you can see. So if I bring in the Fibo at this point, you should be able to see that, wait a minute, I've attached this Fibo the wrong way. Let me correct this. So if we bring the Fibo to that point, right, we should be able to see that this area is 61.8. You see, 61.8. Most of the time when price is retracing, it usually finds a pause, or the retracement usually ends at an area around 61.8, or at times you might find it at 50.0. So we have a Fibo level. There was a trade which there was a setup we did trade like this sometimes back. Please find the link, should be popping up on the screen. Uh, anywhere, go watch it out and see how it worked. So based on the same concept, we can also assume that this one will work. But remember, in this game, there is no guarantee whatsoever that a setup will work. That's why we need to gather evidence, and despite you gathering evidence, there is still no probability whatsoever that it will work. So that's why we need to manage our risks at all time. Do not over risk, do not risk your entire capital on a single setup. You will maybe lose all of it. If you get lucky, that's pure luck, but next time it will not work in your favor. So the fifth reason is that we have Fibonacci uh, agent. We also have another thing to look at. We have a candlestick confirmation. You can see this candlestick here has an extremely longer lower wing and a small body, and a small upper body and a small upper wing. So this is what we call a hammer candlestick. The hammer candlestick looks like this. It looks like this. This is how it looks like. And if you see this candlestick on a chart, it tells you that there is a possibility price will continue pushing upward. And that is what we have here. It has got an extremely longer lower week. And this is your entry trigger. Another interesting fact is that this setup, I did notice it yesterday, Tuesday, yesterday at night. But I could not place it at night because I usually know when the market opens the next, or when trading start the next day, we might get a stop loss hunt, and that is what really took place with this extremely longer lower week. That's why I try and advise people, don't place your orders at night. Set some specific time during the day, maybe from morning till noon, maybe from 5 a.m. till 5 p.m. When evening comes from around 8 p.m. towards midnight, don't trade. Uh, Push it to the next day. So I saw this in the evening, and I knew that the following day they will push it down a little bit to hunt down maybe people who have already placed their orders. So when I woke up today, I already did find it has given an extremely longer lower wing and a smaller body. That is your signal to go in. So we have candlestick confirmation. Candlestick confirmation. So we're going to give this trade to run till evening. We come and check it back. We see how it performed. So if you found this content helpful, please don't forget to give us a like, and you can also share this with your friends so that they also be able to learn something new today. That should be it for now. Have a good day, or have a good night, have a good evening, and that's it for now. Thank you.